Hey Math Aces! Welcome to Mr. Ace Math. In this video, we're going to solve this equation to find the value for W. Once we get that, we're going to take that value and plug it back into the equation to confirm that it's correct. So let's get started. The first thing we should do is separate the left side of the equation from the right side of the equation. The best way to do that is to drop a line right next to the equal sign on the left, and then to do the same exact thing to the right side of the equal sign. And that will separate the left side of the equation, which is this expression here, from the right side of the equation, which is just the value 76. The next thing we should do is break up each side of the equation into its smallest parts called terms. So I'll draw a box around this side, and then a box around this side. The right side's pretty easy because that's just the constant 76. But on this side, we've got two terms. To see what they are, we'll drop a line in front of the plus sign like this. So our first term is positive W, and the second term is positive 43. Our goal is to isolate the variable. In other words, we want to get this variable W by itself. So we've got to get rid of this positive or plus 43. So we've got to do the opposite of that. And what's the opposite of adding 43? Well, that would be subtracting 43. So I'll put minus 43 here on the left side of the equation, and minus 43 here on the right side of the equation. The reason why I'm doing it to both sides is because that's what's called balancing the equation. When we balance the equation, we need to make sure whatever happens to the left happens on the right, because doing that maintains equality on both sides. So what's 43 minus 43? Well, that's just 0. They cancel out. So I'll cross off both 43's, and then I'll bring down the variable W. I'll bring down the equal sign, and then I'll bring down the result of 76 minus 43. And what's that? If you don't know, you should always work it out on the side. So we've got 76 minus 43. 6 minus 3 is 3. And 7 minus 4 is also 3. So that gives us 33. So I'll put 33 right under here on the right side, making our final answer W equals 33. And when we have our answer like this, where we have a variable by itself on one side and a value by itself on the other side, that's called our solution. The last thing we need to do is confirm that our solution is correct. So wherever we see the variable W, in its place we're going to put the value 33, because W equals 33. So under W, we'll write 33. We'll bring down the plus sign, bring down 43, bring down the equal sign, and then bring down 76. And what's 33 plus 43? If you're not sure, you should always work it out on the side. 33 plus 43. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 33 plus 43 equals 76. So I'll write it right under here. So the left side equals 76 and the right side equals 76. Which means the left and right side of our confirmation is completely balanced because the left side is the same exact thing as the right side, and that means that our solution, W equals 33, is absolutely correct.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Questions? Comments? Leave them down below.
And thanks for using Mr. Ace Math. Don't just pass math, ace it.